I'm Bailey and I'm 6.
I'm Chloe and I'm 10.
During Christmas, I had one last gift to get for the girls, and so I thought makeup would be fun. Of course, they was excited about it, and Braylee, she just said, well, Daddy, can I put makeup on you?
My dad has a good face for makeup.
I'm Brad, I'm Chloe and Braylee's dad, and some people know me as Makeup Dad. I'm a supervisor for a trucking company, so I have to turn it on. I have to be manly man at work, but once I clock out and I get around my girls, my daughter's got me wrapped around their finger, but I wouldn't have it no other way. Chloe's real chill. I mean, she's real cool, calm, and collected. Braylee is the happy-go-lucky one. She's always smiling. She got this little giggly laugh that, people just fall in love with. And they both love makeup. When we went into Sephora, they loved the lip gloss, all the makeup palettes.
And talking to the workers, they were really pretty and they were really nice.
Yeah, the employees at Sephora were great. One was showing Braylee, how to apply the blush or where to put the blush on your cheek, not on my forehead. Chloe is actually really, really good. I would say Bray is like an abstract artist, though.
Give my daddy that splat.
You gave me that. When I posted the picture on social media, I was just having fun. It was more like, I can't believe I did this.
I knew he wouldn't care because he is kind of the best dad ever.
I was okay with it, but when it got to 5,000, 10,000, and 600,000, I couldn't believe it. I started to see a lot of other men say, hey, I did this with my daughter. But what I was more touched by is when I was getting DMs from women and their dad may have passed away. And they said, it brought them memories of their dad, and it just made their day. And the time that it happened, I felt like we was in crazy time when the world shut down and everything going on. But I got the jokes, and I'm okay with it. I got tough skin. I'm not worried about that. But it touched people, made them remember their dad, or the time that they did this with their dad, or wish their dad was around still to be able to do that with them. Beauty comes in all shapes and all sizes, all colors, all everything. So you don't have to just be in this box to be considered beautiful. So I want the girls to know that they don't have to be in a box. Anything that they want to do, they can create their own beauty. Very good, very good.